Want to extend your clone's capabilities beyond text chat? Setting up a phone number unlocks voice-based conversations with the same intelligence and knowledge your clone already has. In the next 2 minutes, I'll walk you through exactly how to configure a phone number so your clone can take real calls. Start at the clone dashboard. From here, select the clone you want to enable for phone interactions. Each clone can have its own dedicated number, perfect for different use cases like customer support or sales inquiries. Once you're viewing your clone, you'll land on the Clone Chat tab by default. Navigate to the Integrate tab, where all external connections live. This is where you'll find chat platforms, email services, and phone integration options. Click on Configure Phone. You'll see 2 selection methods, by country or by area code. If you need a number from a specific nation without worrying about regional specifics, choose by country. For businesses targeting local markets in the US, by area code gives you that local presence that builds trust with regional customers. Here's something important. Not all area codes have available inventory at any given time. Major metro codes like 212 for New York or 713 for Houston often run out. If your desired area code shows no availability, try nearby alternatives. For example, if 212 is unavailable, check 646 or 917, which also serve New York City. The inventory refreshes regularly, so timing matters. Once you've found an available number, select it and hit Save. The system provisions the number and routes it directly to your clone through Twilio's infrastructure combined with ElevenLabs voice technology. Now test it out. Navigate back to the Clone Chat tab and grab your phone. Dial the number you just configured. Your clone will answer with full access to its knowledge base and capabilities, just like in text chat. The only difference is the modality, voice instead of text, but the intelligence is identical. You're all set. Your clone is now accessible by phone, ready to handle conversations autonomously. Give it a try and see how voice interactions open up new possibilities for engaging with your audience.